Dining halls are great, and with endless options and endless supply, it can seem like a bounty of delicious food. You may be tempted to try everything, but do you think about how much food you'll actually eat when putting it on your plate? Recycling Works Massachusetts reports that the average residential college student creates 142 pounds of food waste every year. With approximately 3,850 students living on the Tufts campus, that means that an estimated 547,000 pounds of food are wasted on our campus every single year from students alone. Where does this waste go? Most colleges in their dining halls on average throw away 22 million pounds of uneaten food, according to the Food Recovery Network. The UN Food and Agriculture Organization reports that global food waste generates 3.3 billion tons of CO2 emissions annually. Those average 22 million pounds of thrown away food from college campuses end up in landfills, where that organic matter creates methane. Methane and CO2 are generated from uncontrolled anaerobic digestion and are the leading causes of climate change. EPA's overview of greenhouse gases explains that methane traps up to 100 times more heat than CO2 does in the atmosphere, within a span of 5 years. This trapped heat from both gases causes climate change. But that's not the only environmental impact that stems from food waste. Think about all the resources it takes to create that food in the first place. Imagine 4 quarter-pound hamburgers. That alone equates to 1,847 gallons of water, 260 square feet of land to grow the feed, and 20 pounds of carbon dioxide released, reported by Business Insider. Now imagine all of those resources going straight into the trash. And that's just one carbon-heavy pound of the 22 million generated by universities alone. Now you can start to see why food waste matters. With compost, the food gets broken down rather than rotting and releasing methane. That's why municipal composting programs are extremely beneficial for the environment. Composting is a natural process in which microorganisms break down organic material into the essential component of soil called humus, or compost. This material